This video demonstrates how to resolve the pin warning. Functions in same channel are set in different group when using Smart Configurator. After enabling certain pins in the components, such as when setting the GTIOC0A and GTIOC0B pins to PWM output pin, you may encounter the warning, functions in the same channel GPT0 are set in different groups. In the Pins tab, you'll notice that GTIOC0A is in Group E and GTIOC0B is in Group A. We recommend using pins from the same group. To resolve the warning, click on the next group of pins for the selected resource button. GTIOC0A and GTIOC0B will be reassigned to pins from the same group. For more information about Smart Configurator, visit Renaissance's website.